Growing in business to the point you have today is hard enough, but to take it to the next level introduces all kinds of new forms of complexity. You may be avoiding difficult decisions. You may find it a struggle to attract, develop, and keep A-level talent. You probably can't walk away for any period of time because you're tied to your business. And deep down, you know you don't know what you don't know to move your business past its current point. And it's hard to find the right people to talk about business challenges. Even the people you pay to give advice to you often don't speak candidly back to you. These are common struggles of the business owner. The business keeps moving, the challenges keep piling up, and you've got to keep making decisions to keep things moving forward. It's completely possible to build a self-managing business with a leadership team that can help turn your vision into reality. To build a culture that attracts and keeps your top talent there. You can gain clarity on where your energy should be focused, what you should be prioritized on, and how to hold yourself accountable to keep driving the business forward. And you can learn to operate at peak productivity and effectiveness so you can become the best version of your entrepreneurial self. Getting excited, re-energized, and remaining that way is what this is all about. But doing it on your own is not the answer. It doesn't have to be that way. There's a way that you can lean in and learn from other people's experiences that they've gathered along the way and use them for your benefit. What you need is a peer group designed exactly for you. A peer group acts as a very personal and trusted board of advisors. Nothing beats candid advice from a room full of other peers just like you. Allied Executives connects you with like-minded peers who understand your business because they're at like stages of growth, and they can help you overcome similar challenges and obstacles. Your confidence level will grow as a leader. You'll get answers to complex problems. You'll have thought partners who will help you think through and ask better questions than you're asking yourself that will all help you move your business forward. You'll gain practical tactics, strategies, and solutions that you can leave the room and go back and apply immediately in your business. At the end of the day, it's all about shortening your time frame to success in your personal and professional growth. Why would you wait to figure it all out on your own through trial and error when you could walk out of a meeting with real world solutions and answers right then and there? At Allied Executives, we're obsessed with helping business owners who've made it past startup and survival stage and are ready to progress their business to the next level. They want something more. They're ready to take on and better manage complexity, refine their processes, ready to expand into new markets with new products, new services, and they're ready to build a team and structure to help them sustain growth. This is the most complicated stage of business to be in because it's now less about you and more about getting the people, the processes, and the systems in place in your business to do it for you. So with our carefully put together peer groups, you'll grow your confidence and effectiveness as a leader of people, make better decisions, overcome different challenges and obstacles, and accelerate your personal and professional development. If you're interested in a peer group, the next step is to come experience it for yourself. There's no commitment, and you'll experience the value immediately and firsthand. Reality is, everybody involved at the Allied Executives is smart and talented. You'll figure all these things out eventually, but do you have the time to wait? You can get involved in a peer group and have others help you get there faster. Schedule a call, experience your peer group, and begin to realize the results.